Hey guys, it's LT Fit here, coming to you with 4 exercises today that's going to help you improve your posture. If you're working at a desk or driving a lot, these exercises are for you, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this first exercise is called Tspy mobilization. Tspy mobilization, okay? Now, first action you want to do is get on your hands and knees. Your wrists should be right underneath your shoulders, and your knees should be lined up with your hips. I want you to get this view as well this side. So your knees should be lined up with your hips. All right, so you're coming on to the side here. Your hands is behind you, your head. So you're coming down and you're going back. Coming down and going back. Down and back. Now, this exercise opens up your chest and it also helps to relieve tension in your shoulders. So this is a great exercise to help improve your posture, but also help with shoulder mobility, and also if you're tight in the chest area, this will definitely help that as well. All right guys, the next exercise on the list is arm circles. Now you can do this on the floor or on the wall, so I'm gonna show you both options. All right, so on the floor, you're gonna lay on your side, okay? You're gonna put the opposite arm on your leg. Okay, you want to make sure this arm is here. You don't want your leg to move like this. You want the arm to stay here. So you're gonna come up, go up here, and come down. Okay, so you're gonna reach. It's almost like somebody pulling your wrist. Go up top, and you're gonna come down. One more time. Go up, and coming around. Right? Now this exercise is very important also for opening up your chest area, right? Because whenever we're sitting at a desk or driving, our shoulders are internally rotated. So what we're trying to do is relieve tension from the chest. So a great exercise you can do right at the comfort of your home. All right, see you at the next exercise. All right, guys, now we're doing arm circles on the wall, okay? First position, you wanna have your palms facing in, okay? You wanna bring your arms straight up, your palm facing against the wall, and you're gonna take it back, okay? So you're coming up, and you're going back. Now with this position, you don't wanna lean out. You wanna try to stay tight to the wall as much as possible. So you come up, and you go down. You come up, and you go down. Great exercise for helping that shoulder mobility. This is one of my favorite exercises because it really helps with my shoulder tension. Okay, so it's a great exercise to improve the range of motion of your shoulders, but also it's just excellent exercise for posture. All right? All right, guys, now we're gonna do a pole stretch. Now, this pole right here, you can use any type of pole. You can use a broomstick, anything that you have that's a pole that's long enough for you to use. Okay, so you wanna first start with your arms being a little bit wider than shoulder apart. You don't want it to be touching your legs. You want your arms to be wider than your hips. You're gonna bring your arms up and then bring it back. Okay, so you're coming down to bring it up and bring it back. Bring it up and bring it back. Now, of course, if you have the range of motion, you can even take it back further as well, but be careful. You know, don't hurt yourself, but you can come back as well like that, right? Depending on your range of motion. Okay, but don't have to do that. Just be smart and only do what you're able to do without pain, okay? So just bringing it up here is just fine. Coming down, bringing it up here. It's a great stretch you can do right at your desk. This is a stretch I do a lot right at home when I don't feel like getting on the floor or when I'm just in a quick rush, I use this stretch. So I hope these stretches help you out because it's going to help you improve your posture. And if you have any questions at all about these stretches, please reach out. It's LT Fit. Have a great day.